Our objective in this lesson is to solve for the product of two binomials. We are going to discuss these four methods. To easily comprehend today's lesson, it would be best if you have already watched my video lesson on the multiplication of polynomials. Let us have the first one, the FOIL method. Here is the formula. Let's have an example and let us follow the formula given here. So our A is x and our C is x, so we have x times x. A again is x and our D is 5, so we have plus x times 5. B is 2 and C is x, so we have plus 2x. B again is 2 and D is 5, so we have plus 2 times 5. Let us simplify this. X times x is x squared. Let us rewrite this as 5x. Let's copy 2x, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Let us combine like terms. Let's copy x squared. 5x plus 2x is 7x, and let us copy 10. Let's have another example. So let us define FOIL. FOIL stands for F, the product of first terms of each binomial. So the first term here is x and here is x, so x times x is x squared. O stands for the product of outside terms of each binomial. Outside means at the outermost. So here is x and here is 4. So x times positive 4 is positive 4x. I stands for the product of inside terms of each binomial. Inside is in the innermost. So here is negative 3 and here is x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And L stands for the product of last terms of each binomial. So here is negative 3 and on here is positive 4. Negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. Let us simplify this. Let us copy x squared. 4x minus 3x is positive x, and let's copy negative 12. So this is the FOIL method. Next method is SMILE method. Let's have the same example. Let us start. X times x is x squared. Negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. Negative 3 times positive x is negative 3x. And x times positive 4 is positive 4x. Can you see the smiling face? Let's combine like terms. Let's copy x squared and negative 12. Negative 3x plus 4x is positive x. Now let us arrange in descending order. So we have x squared plus x minus 12. This is the same answer that we got in FOIL method. Another method is the window method. Let's have the same example. Let us create our window. In here, we are going to write our first binomial, x, negative 3. Here we have x and positive 4. Let us start. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. 4 times x is positive 4x. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. After completing the window, let us combine like terms. Like terms are 4x and negative 3x. So we have 4x plus negative 3x. Positive negative will become minus, so 4x minus 3x, and this is equal to x. Now let us arrange in descending order. We'll start with x squared, and then x, and then minus 12. So still the same answer with the SMILE and FOIL methods. The last method is the vertical method. Let's have the same example. So the first binomial is x minus 3 times the second binomial is x plus 4. Let us start. So we have 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Then 4 times positive x is positive 4x. Then we have x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Make sure you align it with x. And x times x is positive x squared. Let us combine like terms. So we have here 0 plus x squared is still x squared. 4x minus 3x is positive x. Negative 12 plus 0 here is still negative 12. So same answer with the first three methods. Let us have another example. In here, I'm going to use a SMILE method. Let's start. 2x times x is 2x squared. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times positive x is negative 3x. Positive 2x times positive 2 is positive 4x. Now let us combine like terms. Let us copy first 2x squared and minus 6. Negative 3x plus 4x is positive x. Let us arrange this. 2x squared plus x minus 6. Another example. In here, I'm going to use the FOIL method. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 7 is negative 21x. Positive 5 times positive 2x is positive 10x. And positive 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. I'll rearrange and combine like terms. I'll copy 6x squared. Negative 21x plus 10x is negative 11x. Copy negative 35. This time, let's have an activity entitled Choose a Product. Which do you think is the product of these two binomial? The correct answer is letter D. Y times y is y squared. Y times positive 3 is positive 3y. Positive 5 times positive y is positive 5y. 3y plus 5y is positive 8y. And 5 times 3 is 15. Number 2, which do you think is the correct product? The correct answer is letter B. M times m is m squared. M times negative 3 is negative 3m. Negative 5 times m is negative 5m. Negative 3m plus negative 5m is negative 8m. And negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Number 3, which one is the product? Again, letter B. 2n times n is 2n squared. 2n times negative 4 is negative 8n. 3 times n is 3n. Negative 8n plus 3n is negative 5n. And positive 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Another one, you may pause the video for more time. So the correct answer here is letter D. P times 6p is 6p squared. P times negative 2 is negative 2p. 3 times 6p is 18p. Negative 2p plus 18p is 16p. And positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Last one. Correct answer here is letter C. 3q times 5q is 15q squared. 3q times negative 2 is negative 6q. 3 times 5q is 15q. Negative 6q plus 15q is positive 9q. And positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Here is the summary of our lesson. We discussed 4 different methods in solving for the product of two binomials. Just do not forget to combine like terms and arrange the final answer in descending order. Now, it is time to check your understanding. Pause this video for more time. Let us answer. So let me use the SMILE method here. Let's start. 2x times x is 2x squared. Negative 10 times negative 2 is positive 20. Negative 10 times positive x is negative 10x. And positive 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Let us combine like terms. Let's copy 2x squared and positive 20. Negative 10x minus 4x is negative 14x. Let us rearrange this. Let's copy 2x squared minus 14x plus 20. Keep on smiling. Gets? Our next lesson is square of a binomial.